Hi everyone, welcome to Couples Tech Byte. In today's video, we will learn how to apply VLOOKUP in easy and simple steps. So let's start. What is V stands for? V stands for vertical. As you can see, this is the same data we have used to create automatic folders. We're gonna use the same. So this is a vertical table. So as I apply a formula, that will be called as VLOOKUP. Now we wanted to populate the judicial name. As you can see in column E, we have judicial name. We wanted to populate the same against the state's name available in column A. So let's see, is equals to we look up. Now lookup value will be our identical field. Identical value will be called as lookup value. So as you can see here, Chhattisgarh we will select, and the table array is the table where from where you wanted to get the values. So in our case, this is the table. We will select the state field. Just make sure you will select the identical field first, and then you need to go to the right side. Now we will select till the judicial. As you can see, this 5C stand for the fifth column from the selection. So that will be your call index num, comma 5, comma 0 for true and false. And just press enter. Now, as you can see, against Chhattisgarh, we have Bilaspur will get populated here. Now, let's simply copy, come to the bottom of table and paste it. So, as you can see, all the values get populated here. Now, why this hash array came? So, as you can see, this here the state is called as Rajasthan. But if you see in this array table, the Rajasthan value in the states field is not available. So that's why this hash array will appear here. So like that, you will get to know the value what you are looking for value is not available in the source table. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please let me know other modules or other parts what you wanted to learn in comment section. Thank you very much.